Do you ever feel like your travel adventures turn into misadventures? Well, don't worry, I've got your back. Today, we're diving into 25 tiny travel essentials that will keep you calm, cool, and collected in 2025. From gadgets to genius travel hacks, these small but mighty items could save your trip and maybe even your sanity. Let's go. Whether you're braving a sweltering train in Europe or trying to sleep in a very warm hotel room, a portable fan can make all the difference. These compact devices are perfect for cooling down in a pinch, especially in destinations with unpredictable heat. And an added bonus, they're great for improving airflow during stuffy flights or layovers. A portable fan can be a game changer when traveling to hot and humid destinations. This cute little fan will not only keep you cool, but you can use it as a portable charger and a flashlight. Just a fantastic multi-purpose gadget. This tiny essential is a travel-savvy way to keep your finances secure. In a world where cybercrime is on the rise, an RFID wallet offers peace of mind by blocking unauthorized scans of your credit cards and passport. Think of it as an invisible layer of security that's especially important in crowded areas or while you are using public transit. Plus, these wallets tend to be nice and slim and stylish, making them a functional yet fashionable choice. And I love that these Buffway wallets come in a huge variety of colors, so they're also easy to spot down in the center of your purse. If you're traveling internationally, an adapter is your lifeline to keeping devices powered and connected. And I want to take a second to thank today's sponsor, EPICKA. EPICKA has the top-selling travel adapter on Amazon, the TA105 series. The TA105 series of adapters have 4 different plug configurations to adapt to more than 200 countries and regions, from Korea to Europe to the UK and to Australia and China, and to Sweden, where we happen to be right now. You can choose from 4 different versions of the EPICKA TA105. There is the basic, which includes 4 USB-A ports and 1 USB-C port, allowing you to charge up to 6 devices at a time. The EPICKA TA105C has a slightly different configuration with 2 USB-A ports and 3 USB-C ports, still able to charge up to 6 devices at a time. Alex and I have both been using the TA105 adapters to keep us powered up while we're here in Sweden. We are both running our businesses while we are traveling. As you can see in the background, Alex is over there right now getting some work done. So it is important that we can keep our laptops, cameras, and phones all charged up. There are 2 other versions of the TA105 family, the TA105 Pro and the TA105 Max, that are fast charging adapters, and they're a little bit bigger and a little bit pricier. But if you need that fast charge option, these would be perfect for you. One thing I want to clarify, which I know a lot of us can get super confused on, is that these are adapters and not converters, meaning that you will use these to adapt your normal plugs to the outlets of the place that you are traveling to. A voltage converter, which is not this, will change the voltage of an outlet to match the device. These adapters are just for changing the plug configuration. Through the end of December, EPICKA is offering my community an extra 10% off of any TA105 adapter when you use my code GYPSY10OFF. Also, EPICKA has recently introduced a new line of extremely lightweight, water-resistant compression packing cubes. You can get these in either a set of 4, which comes with 1 large, 2 medium, and 1 small cube, or a set of 6, which includes the set of 4, plus a toiletry bag and a shoe bag. I love using these packing cubes to keep my stuff organized in my hotel room or in the suitcase, as is the case for this trip, because we don't have a lot of storage in this hotel room. EPICKA is offering y'all a discount on these through the end of December as well. You can get an extra 30% off if you use my code GYPSY30OFF. This tiny, tiny little noise machine can help you tune out disruptive sounds like street noise, loud hotel neighbors, or if you happen to be close to the airport, those plane engines. In the past several years, I have used a sound machine app on my phone, but I've run into issues when the outlet for charging my phone is too far away from the bed. This adorable, tiny little white noise machine solves that problem. With 15 different sounds to choose from and a long-lasting battery, this sound machine is the perfect traveling companion for those of us that need to have that little extra something to create a consistent sleep environment. Compact and multifunctional, earbuds are your go-to for blocking out noise, enjoying music, or catching up on those podcasts or Audible books during your travels. A good pair can save your sanity during long flights, especially if you have some not so happy children near you. Noise canceling options are particularly helpful for blocking out background noise. I know I see a lot more people these days with over-the-ear headphones on flights, but if you are really trying to pack more minimally, the earbuds are going to be the way to go. And if you're going to use your earbuds on the airplane, you're going to want to bring along a wireless Bluetooth connector like this one by me. Most airlines' entertainment systems still use an old-fashioned headphone jack, so you either have to use the headphones that they provide or carry an older pair of headphones with you. This little gadget allows you to use your Bluetooth earbuds or headphones to connect to the entertainment system so you don't have to read lips. I have to ask if anyone else out there gets sucked into watching a movie on the plane that's actually on someone else's screen in the row or two ahead of you. I do that. I'll start watching somebody else's movie and I'm trying to figure out what the movie is, or then I try to start reading the actor's lips and figure out what they're saying. I don't know. Am I the only weird one out there that does that? Let me know in the comments below. Another bonus of this Mi Bluetooth connector is that you can pair up 2 sets of earbuds or headphones so you and your travel companion can watch something together if that's something you like to do. Say goodbye to the panic of lost luggage or misplaced items. When you use AirTags or the Tile, you can track your belongings in real time, whether it's in your checked suitcase or in your personal item bag. They provide peace of mind, especially in busy airports or train stations, and especially when you have short connections. These small trackers are lifesavers when it comes to keeping tabs on your belongings during those very stressful travel days. You can put them in your luggage or your personal item bag. You can even attach them to your keys and then track their location using an app on your phone or tablet. Tweezers are one of those small items you don't think about until you need them. From pulling out splinters to managing those stray eyebrow hairs or even fixing tiny details, they are a multi-purpose tool that can save the day. They might seem like an afterthought, but they are incredibly handy in a pinch. Not only can you use them to keep those eyebrows looking fresh, but you can also use them to fix wardrobe malfunctions like stubborn zippers. They're lightweight, easy to store, and they are a very tiny but mighty addition to your travel kit. Tiny travel essential number 9 is this tiny little pill holder. I added this lifesaver to my daily travel essentials after I had a sudden allergy attack while we were out wandering around Tokyo. We ended up having to go to multiple stores to find allergy medicine I could take. Now I will never have that issue again because I will always have my allergy pills with me, along with some other emergency meds like anti-diarrhea meds, some ibuprofen, Aleve, and stuff like that. These foldable glasses are lightweight, compact, and easy to tuck into even the smallest of bags. They are tiny, but so very functional, especially for those of us who absolutely need those reading glasses to see menus and most of the stuff on our phones now. This company does make versions without arms if you just want something that you can pop on and off real quick. I don't think they make monocles yet though. You might have to go to another company if you're looking for a monocle. In many countries, coins are still a primary form of currency, so a small coin purse will keep your spare change organized, making it easy to pay for transit tickets, tips, or souvenirs. No more digging around in your purse or jingling in your pockets to find the right change. I would definitely encourage you to have one if you're traveling to Japan or Europe, or you can do like I did and purchase one when you arrive at your destination, scoring not just a cute, but also functional souvenir. The Hero Clip is a multi-purpose tool that combines a carabiner and a hook, allowing you to hang your bag or gear almost anywhere. You can use it to keep your bag off of dirty floors, secure items in crowded spaces, or even organize your belongings in tight hotel rooms. Its versatility makes it a favorite among seasoned travelers, and although it took me a while to add it to my travel essentials, I now take it on every trip. Perfect for long trips, laundry detergent sheets allow you to wash clothes without having to carry bulky liquid detergent. The laundry sheets are lightweight, easy to pack, and dissolve completely in water, making them mess-free. Whether you're freshening up socks or your intimates in a hotel sink or doing a small load at a laundromat, they are a practical and eco-friendly option. Plus, when I bring my own laundry detergent sheets, I know that I am not going to have an allergic reaction. A Tide pen is your first defense against stains, whether it's spilled coffee on a plane or perhaps you get dirty putting your suitcase up in that overhead bin. Those wills get me all the time. The Tide pen is small enough to fit in your purse or pocket. It is a powerful tool for keeping your clothes presentable on the go, especially if you are traveling for a few weeks and you've packed a minimal amount of clothing. It's an easy and effective way to stay stain-free while traveling. Long days of walking can take a toll on your feet, and blister pads are the ultimate fix. They provide cushioning and protection, preventing minor irritations from ruining your sightseeing plans. They act as a cushion, reducing friction and protecting sore spots from becoming way worse and turning into those awful blisters. Small and easy to pack, they're a lifesaver whether you are exploring the city or going out on a rugged hiking adventure. Freshen up anywhere and anytime with these deodorant wipes. These discreet essentials are perfect for those long flights, layovers, or those just really hot weather days where you need a quick refresh without access to a shower. They're individually wrapped, making them easy to toss in your bags for emergencies. I always keep a few of these in my personal item bag or even my daily purse for a quick freshen up when I land at my destination, and maybe sometimes throughout the day when I am walking around. Tiny travel essential number 17 is left over from my running days, and that is Body Glide. Body Glide prevents chafing and irritation, ensuring you stay comfortable during activities like hiking, city walking tours, or even if you're wearing certain clothing. This tiny travel size is so easy to carry, and a little bit does go a long way. It's especially useful for travelers who are going to be very active in exploring in those warm and humid climates. Bamboo makeup wipes are an incredible eco-friendly and sustainable option for removing your makeup. I like to preload my bamboo makeup wipes with my Clean Zero cleansing balm, and I do several of those and then package them in a little Ziploc bag, and they just make a great alternative to disposable makeup wipes. Like I said, very eco-friendly. You can wash them and reuse them over and over again. A portable luggage scale saves you from those unexpected, overweight, expensive baggage fees at the airport. It's easy to use. You just hook it to your bag and get an accurate reading before you leave to catch your airplane. But make sure that you pack it and bring it with you, because you don't want a weighty surprise when you check in for your flight home either. They are very lightweight and easy to pack. It's a small tool that can save you not just big headaches, but possibly a lot of money too. A portable charger will absolutely save your vacation. We use our phones so much for directions and to store important information, it is almost a safety issue if we let our phones go dead. Running out of a battery can definitely derail your travel plans. A portable charger keeps your devices powered, whether you are navigating a new city or documenting your adventures. I really like this smaller magnetic charger because it allows me to still have access to the charging port in case I need to use that for filming vlogs. A little pack of Kleenex is always in my bag for that runny nose, runny eyes, or just to use to wrap up little pieces of trash, like chewing gum that you've gotten tired of chewing. I don't know about you, but as soon as that recirculated air gets going on the airplane, my nose starts to drip. So annoying. And I am always so glad to have my Kleenex with me. Some form of chapstick or lip balm is a small but mighty tool for combating dry lips caused by flights, cold weather, or that bitter, bitter wind. Many formulas include SPF for added protection against sun exposure too. It's an essential for keeping your lips comfortable and healthy throughout your trip. Although these do not have SPF, I do really love these tinted lip balms from Cliganic. Not only keeping your lips soft, but adding a hint of color too. Love a multi-purpose item. Contact lens cases are versatile containers that can store way more than just contact lenses. I use them for packing my skincare, especially moisturizers and cleansers. They're leak-proof, compact, and ideal for carrying liquids when you need to be in compliance with TSA regulations. Using them will save you a ton of space in your liquids bag, especially if you are going for that carry-on only packing. Single-use toothbrushes are preloaded with toothpaste, making them perfect for quick touch-ups on long travel days. They're compact, hygienic, and they eliminate the need to carry a full-size toothbrush and toothpaste with you in your personal item bag. They're ideal for flights, layovers, or anytime you just feel like you need a fast refresh, maybe after a lot of garlic, let's say. Secure your luggage with these tiny carabiner zipper locks to help deter theft. They are a simple but effective way to protect your belongings, especially in crowded places or when your bags happen to be out of sight. These carabiner zipper locks just add an extra layer of security to your bags, deterring theft, especially in crowded places. They're particularly useful for your personal item bags, in your purses, and even your day packs. They're lightweight, durable, and just a really easy way to add an extra layer of protection. But if you do happen to be looking for the perfect anti-theft purse for your travels, you should check out this video next. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have safe and wonderful travels.